patterns, because when you were in Gr3's class, Gr3 talked about patterns, and then you said patterns are for Pranav and Mukund.
Yeah. So let's start with the mindful meditation. Please sit straight. Yeah. I want you guys. I want you to see and do this or listen. Okay. We need to move your hands and all that. So is there space for you to move? Pranav, look at the screen, please.
In this mindfulness practice,
Is this correct?
you will be stretching your muscles and breathing deeply. You can sit up straight or stand, but make sure you have some space to the side of you, as we will be raising your arms in the air. Make sure you're comfortable.
I want you to do this.
Today, we are going to imagine that we are painting a rainbow in the sky, and your fingers are the paintbrushes. Start with your hands by your side and your palms facing forwards.
Yes, Pranav, I didn't hear you.
Did you present the screen?
Yeah, are you not able to see? Mukund, are you able to see the screen?
Yeah. Pranav, are you able to?
No.
Then log out and log back in like you did yesterday.
Okay.
Okay, we'll just wait for him. Okay?
Yippee!
Can we start now?
Yeah, we can start.
Sky, and your fingers are the paintbrushes. Start with your hands by your side and your palms facing forwards. Now, when you see the red band of the rainbow start to appear,
Mukund, can you please sit up instead of lying down? Class has started. Free time is
here, keep your arms straight and trace it upwards with your paintbrushes. Great. Now the red band is painted, slowly bring your arms back down by your sides. Now you need to match your breathing to your painting. So when you raise your hands up for the next color, take a big breath in, and you can breathe out when you bring your arms back down. Get ready for the orange to appear. Imagine we have dipped our paintbrushes into orange paint. So breathe in and lift the arms up, and slowly back down as you breathe out. Now we're going to paint the yellow band. Imagine we have dipped our paintbrushes into the yellow paint. Breathe in as we paint the yellow band, and lift your arms up. Now breathe out as you drop your arms down. Now the green band. Breathe in as we paint the green band, arms up, and breathe out as you drop your arms down. Now the blue band. Breathe in as we paint the blue band, arms up, and breathe out as you bring your arms back down. Now the indigo band. Breathe in as we paint the indigo band, arms up, and breathe out as you bring your arms back down. And now for the final color, violet. Breathe in and lift your arms up, and breathe out as your arms.
okay. So, what do you guys know about patterns? Yes, Pranav, where did you go?
Patterns are something that keeps getting repeated.
Mukund, anything to add?
Nope. He copied.
Yes.
And I raised my hand. He copied.
I want you to draw or write what figure comes next, or you can tell me. 1 is Mukund, 2 is Pranav, 3 is Mukund, 4 is Pranav.
And 5 is me.
Okay, yeah, since he answered what is the pattern, 5 is Mukund. Okay, Mukund, what comes next?
The blue circle.
Then you need to tell me what comes next. Next three images. Next three pictures.
Okay. Okay. The blue circle, then the green oval, then the blue circle again.
Good job. Pranav, are you supposed to be sleeping in my class? You just
Not
Sleeping Beauty. What comes for the second one?
first the blue triangle, then the purple triangle, then the blue triangle.
Okay, Mukund, the next three images for the third one.
Okay. The black line, and then the blue circle, and then the purple square.
Good job. Pranav, the next one.
First a like laughing emoji,
Okay.
and then another laughing emoji,
Yeah, then.
the smiling emoji.
Good job. Last one, Mukund.
It's the down emoji, the down arrow, then the sideways arrow, then the down arrow.
Good job. So you guys know. Now I want you to think what figure Delia will draw next. Can you find the pattern in this? Who can find
11. Because it has 3, and she's adding 2 for 5. Then she's adding another 2 for 7, and then she's adding another 2 for 9, and then 9 plus 2 is 11. So it's 11.
Okay, Pranav, do you agree? What do you agree on?
Like counting by twos.
Okay. Now, we saw pattern in designs, okay? Even in numbers, there are patterns, okay? For example, take the 9 tables. In this, it is decreasing. See, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. One column is decreasing, whereas the other, it's increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also a kind of
I already
pattern.
know that because in my classmate Pranav, but there's another Pranav in my class, and he showed me it, and he let me keep the sticky note, and I still have it in my desk.
Okay, he showed it to me. Showed me
I
it.
think I do.
Okay. And the products alternate between even and odd. Did you guys see that? Did you guys look at that? It is 9 is odd, then 18 is even, again odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Okay, and you can keep continuing the factors. So you understood this, right? Pranav, what about you?
Yeah, I understand.
Same.
Okay, please take out your notebooks and write down all the answers.
What?
How do we do this?
The first step, the first sum, the first line, it is when you skip count, when you multiply by odd numbers. Okay, guys, do you know what are odd numbers and even numbers? Pranav, what's an odd number?
Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14.
That is odd numbers.
Oh, an odd number is like where you can split it evenly.
No, what's an odd number? What are the odd numbers?
Oh, odd number you can't split it evenly.
Okay, Mukund, what are odd numbers?
Huh?
What are odd numbers?
They're like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Good. So
You can't count if you count by twos. You can't get them.
good.
You can't get out the number.
Alternate numbers which starting from 1. are odd numbers. Alternate numbers starting from 0 are even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. In this, the first problem, we see that we are multiplying all the digits, any digit, by an odd number. Okay. And we see that when you multiply to odd numbers, both the digits are odd numbers, you get an odd number as a result. Did you guys get it? Say, for example, 5 is an odd number. So is 7. Oh, let's do some sum. That's not that. Okay, 5 is an odd number. And let's take, is it 3? No, okay. 3 is also an odd number. When you multiply this, what is the answer that you get?
15.
Is 15 an odd number or an even number?
Even, no, odd.
Pranav,
Odd.
even or odd? Now, let's see. When you are multiplying to even numbers, do we get an odd number or an even number? What's 2 times 6? What's 2 times
12.
So is it an odd number or an even number?
Even.
Good job. This is one thing you have to remember. When you multiply two odd numbers, you get an odd number. When you multiply two even numbers, you get an even number. Will you guys remember that?
What if you
Yeah.
multiply 7 times 4?
You tell me, what's 7 times 4?
7 times 4 is 28. That's an even number.
Wait. 7 is an odd number, okay? Is 4 an odd number?
No, even.
The rule is for both the numbers to be either odd or even, okay? Got it?
No. I don't understand what we have to do here.
No, I want you to understand the concept, okay? You are talking about 7.
I understand the concept, but I don't know what to do there.
Okay, here, what is the pattern that you're seeing here in these sums? What is the pattern that you're seeing? Yes, Mukul?
I'm not raising my hand. I just have an itch.
And
I know. The sums are all odd numbers.
very good. You don't call it as sum. For multiplication, we call it as product. Sum means addition, okay? Good job, Pranav. Hey, Mukund, come on, wake up. He's getting stars. He's getting stars. And what is the answer if you divide a number by itself? That again is a pattern. Or when you multiply a number by 1, what is the answer?
The
Mukund,
same number you multiply. Like 5 times 1 is 5.
okay, for division?
It's 1.
Okay, you also get a star. So we have covered 1 and 3.
5 by 5 is 5. Yeah, I know that even though I'm in the 3rd grade. 100 times 10 is 10. 200 times...
I'm not going to tell you what comes next. I want you to tell me what comes next for both these numbers. Pranav is going to take this 5, 10, 15, 20, and Mukund, you're going to take this 10, 20, 30, 40. What are the next 3 numbers?
3? Can we just say them out loud? I already know them.
Yeah, so tell them out loud.
Okay, 30, 35, 40.
Good job. So what is the pattern that is being followed here?
Counting by 5.
5s.
Keep counting by 5. Okay. Mukund, for the second one, what are the next 3 numbers?
50, 60, and 70, and it skipped counting by 10.
It's counting by skipping 10.
Skipping by 10. I already said that.
No,
Yeah.
I said
Yes.
that.
Pranav, you get a star for your answer. Mukund gets a star for his answer. Now,
He took my answer though.
no, who asked you to say it for both? Who asked you to say it for both? I told you tell only for the first one. Okay, Now, okay, let's see who's doing this first, and let's see if your answers are correct and you do it first. You get more stars. Okay, I want you to complete this table. Complete all the tables. No, don't answer. Do it in your book or just
No,
write
I
it
don't
down.
know how to do it in my book.
You don't have a choice. Okay, use the chat box, but send it only to me. Don't send it to Mukund, okay?
I don't
You can
understand.
also send it only to me, but don't send it to. I want you to do the first sum alone, okay? Let's see who's doing it first and who's doing it correct.
Get what do we write it in?
The chat box.
The chat.
How do we write it in the chat box? We can't make a box.
You can just write the answers.
Okay, I'm gonna do that.
Pranav, don't shout. He's just sleepy. Okay, he was just. He wants to become Sleeping Beauty. That's why.
Why you write a pidegram triplet whose number is 63 to go over?
That's okay. That's not for you.
Okay,
That's.
let me just type this thing.
Let's
see. Oh yeah.
I want you to send it only to me. Don't send it to anyone. Everyone. Okay. Let's see who's getting it first and correct. Okay, Mukund, you get a star. Pranav, he said it first. He has sent it first. Okay, go to the second one. Come on. Let's see. The second sum. Who's sending it to me first? Let's see. Mukund again.
I hate you, Mukund.
Nope. Hey, Mukund. Okay, you're correct. Go to the third. Oh, no, we have to wait for Pranav to do it. Hey, Pranav, before you join, Mukund was just like Pranav is going to rock because he's very good in maths. Okay? Come on. No, same here. Okay. Mukund for third one. Yep, you're correct.
Yeah.
Pranav, where are your answers for the second and the third one? Second one is right, Pranav, and the third one. The third one. Good job. So let's see what's next. Oh. Okay, can you guys tell me what this table is all about? It's a multiplication table. Can you tell me? Fill up the table. Quickly, do you guys know how to, guys know how to annotate on screen?
No.
Okay, you can call it out to me. I can write it down for you guys. I
don't understand what to do.
Are you supposed to shout?
Oh, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2
And
times
then 2 times
5 is 10.
5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12.
6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. And 2 times
2 times 10 is 20.
Okay, wait, this was said by Pranav. So Mukund, tell me the next one. 4 by Pranav. Again, okay, 3 by Mukund. Come on.
Okay, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 9. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 12. 3 times 5 15. 3 times 6 18. 3 times 7 21. And then 3 times that. And then 3 times 9 is 27, and 3 times 10 is 30.
You're telling me the next one too, Mukund.
Why?
So that you will also get it down. 2 times. Mukund, the next one.
Okay, 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 10 is 40.
5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 7. 5 times 7. 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 5 times 7 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. And 5 times 10 is 50.
Next one is you again.
6 times 2 is 12. 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 6 is 48. 9 times 6. 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54. And 10 times 6 is 60.
Mukund, 7 and 8. And
Can I do the 9s?
okay, you can do 7 and 9. No, you can do 7 and 8. We already saw the 9 tip, right? So,
Okay, I'll do 7 and 8. Okay, 7 times 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 7 times 3 is 1. And then 7 times 4 is 28. And then 7 times 5 is 35.
times 8.
4 times 8 equals 7 times 8 equals 56. And then 7 times 9 equals 63. And 7 times 10 is 70.
The next one, 8 tables.
Okay. 8 times 1 is 8.
8 times,
And then 8 times 2 is 16.
oh, sorry. 1 second. Yeah.
And then 8 times 4 equals 32. And then 8 times 5 equals 40. And then 8 times 6 equals 48. And then 7 times 8 7 times 8 equals 56.
66.
56.
Okay. I heard it as 66. Yeah, the next one.
Okay, and then 7 times 8 equals 66. 66.
66. 8. 8. What is 8 times 8?
I mean 64.
Times 8.
And 9 times 8 equals 72.
10 times 8.
And then 80.
Come on, Pranav, finish the table.
9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 9 times 9 times 7 9 times 7 9 times 9 times 7 63. 9 times 9 times 8 72. 9 times 9 81, and 9 times 10 is 90.
The last line, please.
Okay. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 6 is 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. And 10 times 9 is 90. And 10 times 10 is 100.
Okay, I want you to answer the first question.
Look at the number in the
The
square.
Are you able to see the square? Or do you want me to? Are you able to see the square, or do you want me to highlight them for you?
Highlight.
Hi.
These squares in green.
We see those.
Okay. I want you to look at the squares. This question is for Pranav. Pranav, look at the squares in these, and then tell me what is the pattern that they are following. Mukund, I want you to look at this loop and tell me what is the pattern. Mukund is the second question. Pranav is the first question. I want you to just focus on just that thing. Okay? And tell me the pattern. What do you think is the pattern? Yes, Pranav.
For the first one, so there's one across like that X, and then there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 going across, and 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 going down.
Okay, they are the same. Okay. Mukund, in the center, you want me to, I'm using yellow to highlight it. Okay, for you.
Okay.
This.
Okay. The pattern at the start of the like this. I'm gonna do the top the part of the top. It's 10, it says 10, 18, 24, 28, 30. And then on the other side it says 10, 18, 24, and 18 and 30.
Good job. Now I want you each to find a row and a column that match and tell me.
Find
What?
a row and
Tell
column.
me a row and a column that matches. They have the same numbers.
What?
A row and a column in this table has the same numbers. Other than this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which one do you think it is?
I know where it is.
Yes, Pranav.
There's the thing that you highlighted green.
I said other than that.
Oh, the thing that is on top. The thing that's above the thing that you highlighted green.
That is also not there. Other than both of them.
And in the column it says 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then in the rows, it's counting by the numbers ahead of them and stuff.
Good job. You couldn't say it first. Ooh, who do we have here?
Match the superheroes with their names. Zip.
Look at
Nick.
this. Okay, you can.
Boy, Laser Kid, and Mighty Guy.
Okay, you can look at the name and you can tell me for 2.
I know one.
Wait, let me just put the numbers so that you guys are able to tell me which one. This picture is 1, this guy is, this girl is 3, and this girl is 4. Okay. Who's,
I know.
yes, Mukund.
No.
I know. Laser kid is number 3.
Good job.
Mighty, I think Mighty Guy. I mean Zip is number 4.
Good job. Okay, the other 2.
I think Mighty Guy is 1.
Okay, so that leaves Micro Boy as 2. So do you remember their names? Okay. And what do you think are they super fast? What do you think are they super fast? What do you think, Pranav? Tell me what is Mighty Guy's superpower?
He's mighty. He's strong.
Good job. Mukund, tell me what is Zip's superpower?
Zip's superpower is she can run fast.
You can run really fast. Okay. And what do you think is Micro Boy's power? You could guess. It's okay. Yes. Pranav,
Mm,
what do you think is the power of
Thinking?
micro? What does micro mean?
I have no idea.
Robotics.
No. I'm giving you a clue.
He can see teeny stuff.
No. He can make himself micro. Micro means very small.
Oh, he can go like Ant-Man.
Yes, like Ant-Man. That's why his picture is so small. And what do you think Laser Guy does?
Shoot lasers.
He lasers people.
Not people. Let's see what they do.
He helps lasers bad guys.
So, Mighty Guy is super strong. I want Mukund to do the first sum, and no, I want you guys to do, both of you to take your book and do both the sums. So I want Mukund to read just the question for the first sum.
Mighty Guy is super strong. He can lift 495 pounds with his right hand and 485 pounds with his left hand at the same time.
How many pounds can Mighty Guy hold at one time?
Okay.
So let's see who's getting it first. Let's see. You can call out the answer.
980.
Good job. You get a star.
980.
Already said it.
Okay. Pranav, can you read the second question, please?
Huh?
Can you please read the second question? The zip is?
Zip is super fast. He can run 20 miles in a minute. How far can Zip run in 5 minutes?
And how many minutes would it take her to run 1,000 miles? Your time starts now. Let's see who's doing it first.
I got the first question.
Okay,
Say 100.
answer.
100.
Good job. You get a star, Pranav. No,
I don't know how to do the second one.
Okay. Mukund, how about you?
I think I know. One sec. I'm not telling anybody.
Okay. Pranav, I'll help you out. Let's just,
Oh, I already know what to do.
you know what to do? Okay.
Is 10 times 20 equal 200?
I won't tell you. Mukund, what do you think is the answer?
1000.
No.
20,000.
No.
No.
I'm asking the time taken to do 1,000 miles. Okay, I'll give you a clue. Okay, I'm just going to I'm not going to give you the answer. See, in 1 minute, she can run. Can you please look at the screen? In 1 minute, she can run 20 miles. Okay, in how many minutes can she run 1,000 miles?
I did 20 times 1,000. It's not working.
No, it is not like that. Okay, listen.
That's 20 divided by 1,000.
No, 20 miles in 1 minute. Okay, 1,000 miles. How much time does it take? You just have to divide 1,000 by 20.
Told you.
What's the answer? What's the answer? Quick.
500.
Good job. We
Is
saw
it 500?
mighty guy and
I don't get it.
Is it 500?
no,
Is the answer 500?
no. I want you to work it out. Mukund, did you get it, baby? Do you want me to repeat it, darling?
I get it, but I don't know. I didn't get the answer.
I didn't put the answer.
I know I didn't. I'm trying to get the answer.
What's the answer?
I don't know.
I've given you a clue here.
I know 1,000 divided by 20. I'm doing that.
You can just cancel out. It's 100 divided by 2. What's 100 divided by 2? What's 100?
50.
Now did you get it? It's 50, not 500. Okay, guys?
Well, Pranav was close.
Pranav was very good.
Take out 1-0.
Yes. Okay. Now we are seeing about micro boy. He's 48 inches tall, but he can shrink to any size he wants. And how does this help him? It helps him to get into teeny size spaces. Now, how tall would micro boy be if he shrank to half his height? So what should you do if you want to find half?
24.
Good job. And 1/4 of his
48 divided by 2.
very good. So what do you do if you have to shrink to 1/4 of his height? 1/4. 1/4.
6.
No, do it again. 1/4.
8.
8.
Guys, hey guys, 1/4.
What time, y'all? What time?
Something in a half. Something in a quarter.
Yes. So 48 divided by 4 is
48 divided by 4 is 7.
now you have a book in front of you. Can you please
12.
do? I didn't hear you. What, baby?
12.
12.
Yes. Hey, Mukund.
I said that first.
Mukund got the star. Mukund gets the star. He told it first. Mukund gets the star.
I kind of guessed that.
I
No,
think
I added the tens. I added the 10, and then I did 8, and then I did 8 divided by 2.
no. I'm just
And
half a star away from you. Half star gone for you.
hey,
That okay. Laser kit can shoot laser beams to make holes in certain ways. And these are 3 of the holes that she's made. Now, what do you think the holes have in common? Quickly.
I know. They all have 4 sides and 4 corners. They all have 4 sides and 4 quarters.
Okay, now I want you to quickly draw one more different shape other than what is given here for laser kit to draw. It should have 4 sides. Okay, quickly. Let's see who's doing it
a
first.
rectangle.
Rectangle. You have to draw it.
I did.
You drew it. Okay, good job. And
Did
now,
it first.
I did it first.
I
I did it first.
okay, let's see who's doing this first. Okay, I'm not going to help you guys out with this. Just read the question fully and remember that one face is 5 villains. Okay, one face is 5 villains. Okay. So in January, how many villains do you think he has caught?
15.
Okay.
And I got the first answer. Third.
No. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to read the question carefully and then use the table to find the answers for these. And let's see whoever is doing all the four sums correct first are going to get 5 stars. Okay? Let's see. Read the question properly. Okay? I am giving you guys 5 minutes time. All the answers? Okay.
The first one is 30.
I'm not listening. You
30 seconds.
No. Pranav, we have to give a chance to Pranav to use the chat box, send the answers to me alone. Just put 1, 2, 3, 4 and send me the answers. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Mukund, Pranav darling, tell me, what don't you understand? Which question? Which question? Pranav, you said you didn't understand something. Which question didn't you understand?
I didn't understand 3.
Okay, 3. Did you finish 1, 2, and 4?
Yeah. I need a double check 4 though. So yeah.
Wait.
Did I get that correct?
First one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. Fourth one is wrong. Mukund, work on the fourth one.
40.
Okay. Pranav, looking at the table, you know, right, in all the months, how many villains were caught? Now.
I need a. I need.
Okay. Mukund, can you please, Pranav, can you please use the chat box to send me the answers? Pranav, use the chat box and please send the answers to me alone. Mukund, work on the fourth sum and let me.
That's what I'm doing.
I don't understand number 3.
No, send me answers for 1, 2, and 4 first. Okay.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll write.
No, Pranav,
Yes,
call it out. Pranav, you can call it out because he's Mukund has already told the answers. What's the first answer? How many villains were caught in February?
30, and the second one's 10, and the fourth one's 130. I didn't understand the third one.
The second one is March. It says in which were half of the villains caught, and then in April. April is 40. You have to find like 4. See, 40 divided by 2 is 20, and it's 20. March is has 4 of those faces, and that's 20. So that's the answer.
Pranav, did you get it or not?
Yeah, I got it.
So these are the rest. Okay, you got it clear?
I get my stars, don't I?
Get your stars. Yes, Mukund, you get your stars. But you get stars only for 3. The last star is for Pranav because you got the first time round, you got the fourth answer wrong, right?
Only get 1 star?
Yeah, because you got the first one. Because you got the first one wrong. Because you got
the first one correct, and I got the second one correct.
No, but I told her in the chat those the answers. I only got the last one wrong, and you got it correct first. So you only get 1 star from that, and I get the other 3 because I answered it before
We
you.
got the stars for the other things too. So I think you equal. Okay, so what was easy for you today and what was tough? In pattern.
This the 100 for zip the 1,000-mile one thing.
It was tough. Okay, what was easy? Pranav, what about you?
The patterns was easy, filling out the patterns.
The patterns for me and the smiley face things.
Okay, and what was tough for you, Pranav, today? What is tough for you today?
filling out those tables,
Mhm.
and doing the last thing.
The last thing. Okay. Okay, we have come to the end of the class. Now I want you guys to sit straight. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bye, guys. I had fun with you. Let's see next class.